Introducing Jet AI for automated workflows. Transform a simple text description into a fully functional workflow. From triggers to final actions, Jet AI handles the structure so you can focus on the results. Hey, I'm Alex, and today I'll show you how Jet AI builds workflows. Jet AI is your code builder that utilizes triggers like clicks, data changes, schedules, or webhooks. Fetches data from 100+ sources, transforms it with JavaScript or formulas, and use switch conditions, if-else conditions, and iterators, opens modals, navigate pages, and perform operations. Previously, you could build workflows visually with drag and drop, but now you can also go from idea to automation in seconds with Jet AI. Just describe what you want. Jet AI automatically generates the full workflow logic for you. You can edit the logic manually, initiate the automation based on different types of triggers, like based on a schedule, and specifying the frequency you want the automation to run. You can also add new conditions to direct the flow and insert new nodes like operations into the new branch and configure the node parameters so that the process behaves exactly as needed. For faster updates, just let Jet AI handle the restructuring. Just tell Jet AI to add a very high priority branch. It instantly updates the structure, handling new conditions and connections automatically, keeping your workflow clean and production ready in seconds. That's it. You've skipped the tedious setup and wiring. What used to be a manual build process is now structured and production ready in seconds. Even more powerful and unique to Jet Admin is the ability to trigger workflows directly from your Jet Admin apps. For example, to make this request pickup button functional, you don't need to code manually. Simply describe the logic and Jet AI creates the custom workflow for you. It wires up the background automation, handling status updates and notifications to deliver a smooth, responsive experience instantly. With this launch, Jet Admin evolves into an AI-powered full-stack platform. Start by connecting your data and generating comprehensive front-end interfaces instantly with AI. Then simply describe the back-end automation you need to power them. Stop wiring manual logic and start building intelligent apps all in one place. Sign up for free and create your first workflow today at jetadmin.io. We can't wait to see what you'll build.